Okay, welcome back to our new lesson for today is the perspective with worksheet number 11, man's eye level view. Okay, so look at here. We studied in the previous video that we have this. So we have the horizon. Okay, this is the horizon. Remember, this is the horizon. And we have and the dot here is the vanishing point, so that should be okay. So the horizon, and this is the vanishing, okay, vanishing point. Okay, this is the vanishing point. And we also learned in the previous video that this can stay up there, over, on, or in the middle, or under, but this time this is in the middle. Okay, so in the middle. So we'll see here that this box is here in the middle of the, it's placed on the horizon line. Okay, now see, when we place the object there and we can align it with the vanishing point on the horizon, then we can make a box like this, okay, or a bread, or a brick, or a train. Okay, so how do we do that? So you ready? So we'll put this on the side, and we have this worksheet number 11. Worksheet number 11, it is a very easy, because I know you can draw the horizon, HL, horizon line. So you can use a ruler on the horizon, and then the next step would be making the square. Easy, right? On the horizon line. Okay, then after that we add the vanishing point. Step 3, let me repeat again. Step 1, horizon line. Step 2, square. Step 3, vanishing point. Okay, and step 5, we connect all the dots to the vanishing point. Okay, so once we have this form, we will cut somewhere here. Okay, now can we try this one? So we have the line already, and so we have to draw the line, and then after drawing the line we put the with the square like that. Okay, so once we have the square, what is the next step that we need to do is put the dot. Okay, put the dot. Oh, don't forget the vanishing point. Vanishing point, vanishing point, vanishing point, vanishing point. Okay, okay, let's repeat that again. So they said we have to make a square and vanishing point and the dots, and connect, 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 and we put the marker. Okay, now let's do the final again. Let's do the final. So we have, okay, we estimate that this is a square, and we put the vanishing point, we put the dots, and we connect, 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 and then we cut. Now this time we will make the line smooth, so we have a 3D box with in perspective. okay, in perspective. And then we can erase the guideline. So we have this. Okay, that is it. So you can see from here the orange guidelines. Okay, guidelines very important. Guidelines very important. So we're ready for the test. Ready for the test. Okay, let's move this out. Let's try. Okay, let's try the steps. Steps are, what are the steps? Number one is the horizon. Okay, horizon. Step two is the square. Okay, so just put a square somewhere here. Okay. Okay. So this is the square. Okay. Next step is the vanishing point. And the dots. Oh, it says what? Bigger. It says bigger than. Okay, so let me correct myself. Let me correct myself. The teacher will not check this because it's small. So what we'll do is make it big. Make it big. Okay, really big. Okay, now and then we have the dots, and we'll connect that one and this one, and then we will cut from here. Okay, so let's see what we can do with this box. Okay, so what we have is this, and then straighten that one. Okay. Okay. I want this to make I want to make a shoebox. Okay, so I want to make a shoebox. So I will connect that one. I'll make a shoebox and connect from there. So I want to go a little bit over because the cover goes beyond that one. So this is my box, shoebox. Of course, this is not sponsored, but we'll borrow this one. So it's okay. I'll just put a check, so you know what brand this is. Okay, this is not sponsored, so this is the brand of the shoes. Okay, and this is the shoebox. Okay, so this is the shoebox. Then you can shade, you can color, okay, whatever color you like. But for this I just want to show you how to do, and we'll put some shades there, put some shades there, okay, to make a little more realistic. Okay, okay, so there we have it. Nice, like so. Okay, under it, and this is our box. Now we can erase that, clean, and this is the application for this principle. Okay, and the end product of that would be this. Okay, so go get your pencil and try it yourself. You can download the worksheets, and thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. Remember,